Even if you have 6% of plagiarism, you will be asked to repeat.
Do you see AI being used in government recruitment?
Absolutely, absolutely. I have been actually telling where AI can help me is you produce something to train you and train. How I can study this subject with the help of AI, I think they will stop going to even coaching centers. Actually, I have, if you look at my first page screen, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, and then Grok.
Okay.
So all these four are there.
Will AI make students more intelligent or more dependent?
I think they are making it very dependent.
One skill that AI can never replace.
Empathy, compassion. The best way to overcome fear is face the fear.
இங்கே வந்து அஃப்கோர்ஸ் இந்த கொஸ்டின் ஆல்சோ ஒய் ஆஸ்ட் நான் நிறைய காலேஜஸ்க்கு வந்து ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க அங்கே போயிட்டு ஐம் பீன் ஆஸ்ட் டு கண்டக்ட் சம் டெஸ்ட் ஃபார் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அவங்களுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கணும் டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னோட ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி நான் போய் ஏதாவது ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட் கொடுத்துருவேன் கொடுத்து அதுக்கு அடுத்த நாளே வந்து ரிப்போர்ட் சப்மிட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க எல்லாரும் ஆனா அந்த ரிப்போர்ட் பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா பிஹெச்டி லெவல்ல இருக்கும்
கரெக்ட்
அந்த ரிப்போர்ட்டை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றா அப்படின்னா கூட they won't be able to explain
பண்ண முடியாது அவங்களால
சோ அந்த இடத்துல வந்து வாட் ஐ எம் சீயிங் அவங்களுக்கு அந்த ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு குறையுது இன்னொன்னு நான் என்ன பாக்குறேன் அப்படின்னா கிளாஸ்ல வந்து 50 பேர் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அட்லீஸ்ட் 1% வாண்ட்ஸ் டு டூ இட் ஆனஸ்ட்லி ஆனா அந்த 1% வந்து ஆனஸ்டா பண்ண முடியல என்ன காரணத்தினால அப்படின்னா அந்த 49 பேர் வந்துட்டு ஏஐ யூஸ் பண்ணி ஈஸியா முடிச்சிடறாங்க இந்த 1% நான் மட்டும் எதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு படிக்கணும் நான் மட்டும் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற வந்து ஒரு லேக் ஆஃப் ஒரு ஒரு ஃபீலிங் இருக்குது சோ அதை வந்து அட்ரஸ் பண்ணி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா நீங்க எப்படி ஃபாதர் சொல்லுவீங்க
இல்லை அது வந்து சிஸ்டம் கேன் டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் தட் அப்படின்னு தான் நான் பார்க்குறேன் இப்போ ஒரு ஸ்கூல் காலேஜ் சிஸ்டம் இப்போ நான் வந்து படிக்கிற சமயத்தில் நான் என்னுடைய மாஸ்டர்ஸ்லாம் அப்ராடில் படித்தேன் ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஸர் ஒரு நாள் அவர் எல்லா இதுக்கும் போனார் அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் வந்து எங்களோட ரீசர்ச் எல்லாம் ஆரம்பித்து அப்படியே போயிட்டுருக்குது ஹீ கேம் அரவுண்ட் யூனோ he came only for this. It was only a 5-minute talk that he came to give us. He said, students, you are all going to start your thesis. The papers will be written. I have come here not to threaten you, but I have come to terrorize you. You know what he said after that?
Okay.
Even if you have 6% of plagiarism, you will be asked to repeat. We will change the topic and ask you to repeat your thesis. That is the only thing he came to communicate. I am talking about 2003 and 4. இப்போ இன்னைக்கு வந்து the amount of plagiarism that is happening. Of course, again you feed the same thing into wherever it will tell you you have copied 99.99%.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that little that is left is you have written your name. That is the kind of situation we are in. Yeah. So there is also counter check. These things should be told to the students. I think that needs to be tackled at the very process itself should be tackled. Otherwise what will happen is we will lose our creativity. As I said, we have raw data because raw data is there lying down, but then where is my reasoning? So day by day you lose your reasoning. I think that is not good for any society.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. And the last maybe do you see AI being used in government recruitment?
Absolutely. I have been actually telling my office for last 3 years.
Okay.
And I took my clue actually from former finance minister, P.T.R. Palanivel Tyagarajan. In one of the assembly, he mentioned the amount of papers that we are wasting, the amount of process that we are going through in order to, recruit for, let's say, those 1,000 posts, And today we need to take advantage of AI. So, of course, he didn't, in the assembly talk, he didn't tell us 1, 2, 3, these are the ways we could do. That made me, thinking.
Okay.
So I had already, giving representation to our office, trying to tell them there's a high time that we introduce. That can be done in multiple ways. Even, the facial recognition, for example. Today we don't know. I know last year in one of the exams in North India, the same person had written for 8 people. Okay, but his photos were all different. So how do you check on this? The AI can be very, very helpful for that. And even, once they give all their certificates, everything, whether this is the person who has given the certificate, checking the certificate, without, doubling the work and stuff like that. The whole work of the staff can be reduced. Now you should not ask me whether they will be sent out of the job. If that is being reduced, they can actually concentrate on some more
better things
where they can do. So that way, there are a lot of scope for introducing AI into the recruitment process itself. Or even, let's say, I'm just thinking loud, right or wrong, I don't know. We need to go to the experts to check all these things. I'm only a thinker, for thinking you don't need to.
Exactly.
Like, for example, I always think of, even in a descriptive exam, for example, they normally feed in the question, answers, everything. I am sure AI should be able to tell us if that answer should have, let's say, 5 ingredients, most important points, whether they have that or not. Instead of me, going through that hard handwriting. Some are very, very ineligible, but then if the AI can go little smarter in finding out and telling me, it can make my work not easier, but I know it is somewhere there. So it makes me kind of, go back. It is a tool, once again, collaborative tool that helps you to analyze. So it can be in multiple platforms. I'm just saying just two, but it can be done in multiple platforms.
In what are the ways you see, Father, AI வந்து இந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், பிசினஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்க ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு இன்னைக்கு வந்து 10 பேர் ஹையர் பண்ண வேண்டிய இடத்துல அவங்க ஒரு ஆள் ஹையர் பண்ணாலே போதும் அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. சோ அதே மாதிரி ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் who are preparing for TNPSC or UPSC exams, அந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல வந்து AI எப்படி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்?
No, that is why the help that the students can get is phenomenal. இது எங்க போய் நிக்கும் அப்படின்னா, if the students are smarter day by day, if they know how to control AI. It is I who do, it is not AI who is going to control me. If I know how I can study this subject with the help of AI, I think they will stop going to even coaching centers where you have to pay lakhs of money. Of course, by this, the coaching centers need not, get scared or bounce on me. But then that will create a level playing field. The poor students can also access.
Correct.
That is what I would like to see. If you ask me personally, it is not, my aim is not to, all these coaching centers you close and go, AI is coming. I mean, you do what you want. But then I want a level playing platform for those students who cannot afford to pay. Maybe they have a center where they can go and study on their own, explore on their own. Somebody gives them an app which can be very inclusive app to prepare for exam, knowing my level. See, both of us sit for I don't know, UPSC exam, and both of us are aspiring to be IAS. But your knowledge caliber is different from mine.
Exactly.
Maybe you are coming from a medical background, I am coming from a history background. Okay, where AI can help me is you produce something to train you and train.
Okay.
Whereas you go to a classroom, you will listen to the same lecture. You may understand better. I may understand less because there is something going on. The lecture is about, I don't know, human body. You understand more than one who is lecturing.
Yeah.
And I am sitting there with my history background, not knowing anything. If something can teach me also in a very simple way, the way I can understand, knowing what my level is,
Okay.
that would be a game changer, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. So with that, I have some ஒரு ஒன் வேர்ட் ஆன்சர்ல கொடுக்குற மாதிரி சில கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கு.
I am good at it. It's very easy. You either say yes or no, so I can do that. Yes.
So when you think of AI, ஒரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஏதாவது ஏஐனா எனக்கு இந்த டூல் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருது அப்படின்னா எந்த டூல் ஃபார் சொல்லுவீங்க?
Perplexity. You know why? Airtel has given it free, so I am using. I don't want to pay for anything.
Okay.
Absolutely no. I'm not.
Gemini வந்து Geo free-ஆ கொடுத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
Gemini also. Now I am using Gemini. Actually, I have, if you look at my first page screen, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, and then Grok.
Okay.
So all these four are there.
Okay.
It is not that I am obsessed with it, but Perplexity because it comes
future
with
I think all the apps that we are using today also will be vanished.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, Claude AI is already
Claude is taking over. In fact, somebody called me and told me you should just learn Claude. About it and use it. They said it is amazing.
Yeah, correct.
So maybe yes.
AI is opportunity or threat, father?
It is opportunistic threat. Yeah.
Very complicated.
It is not, because both I see it as 50-50.
Okay.
Where do you take it on a higher level is depending on you. It is a huge opportunity, but that is why the threat, the innovators have left the platforms, left their corporations they created, which means, they see the threat is imminent. The threat is real.
Yeah.
So that is why I say, huge opportunity, but then it could be a huge threat. Just like, as I said, how it is damaging the brain. Now with the AI, a lot of things could happen. So it could be a threat. You listen to Yuval Noah Harari, you will only say it is a threat. I mean, of course, he is a very balanced thinker. Just I'm saying.
ChatGPT in education, yes or no?
Yes.
One AI skill every student must learn. Something like prompt engineering and the mari.
Prompt engineering is one. Yeah, this is complicated, but then they should be aware of what AI is giving. That awareness creation, I don't know how to put it in words, but maybe, as you say, the prompt engineering. What exactly is happening there? If we can give that literacy, that will be a good thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
One AI myth, people should stop believing it.
One myth they should believe is that AI could solve all your problems. AI cannot do that.
நிறைய பேர் சமைக்கிறது கூட ChatGPT பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க.
So that is a real myth all of us should overcome.
Yeah. Books or AI summaries?
Books, any day.
Yeah. Handwritten notes or AI notes?
Yeah, that is a bit tricky. There, I think I would go with the AI notes, because things are getting, easier. And
I remember I was taking online session for the students, for the business owners and everyone. செஷன் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா சம்மரி பண்ணி 2 பேஜ்ல எனக்கு கொடுத்துருச்சு.
So I can imagine.
Even நம்ம என்ன பாயிண்ட் மிஸ் பண்றோம்ங்கறத கூட it just exactly picks it up and
absolutely. Yeah.
Google or ChatGPT? இல்ல Claude AI, Gemini அந்த மாதிரி.
Yeah, now I think, I mean, a lot of people are talking about Claude AI. I think Gemini is doing pretty well right now.
Yeah. it's doing.
They are working a lot on their ecosystem because they have, you know,
Huge
huge infrastructure.
ஆமா.
So I think they are doing pretty good.
Okay. Classroom or virtual AI tutor? ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு அமெரிக்கால வந்து இட்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டார்டட். AI வந்து டீச் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்.
Yeah.
So அதனால
I can imagine. Classroom.
AI in government exams.
Yeah.
Fair or risky?
It is fair.
Okay.
Yeah, because the control is with us, you know. It is the government which introduces. So they will have all the safety nets, you know, safety measures, whatever should be in place. So it is fairer. We should not be left out, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
AI productivity or AI laziness?
Productivity. Obviously. Yeah.
Deepfake fear or real problem overhyped?
It is a danger. Deepfake is, it is getting scary.
Even for free-ஆவே வந்துட்டு உங்கள மாதிரி ஒரு க்ளோன் கிரியேட் பண்ணி I can make you to speak அந்த மாதிரிலாம்
It is very, very scary. Because also, you know, those societies, even I think in this, all the societies are in some sense underdeveloped. You know, we always say West is developed, you know, East is. In this, it is not going to be. When it comes to deep fake, I think all of us are going to be losers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will AI make students more intelligent or more dependent?
I think they are making it very dependent. I think students are giving into that.
Okay.
The schools need to also kind of keep an eye on, probably get the teachers trained in that. That is why it's all again matter of capacity building, I guess. Yeah, because the teachers also should be aware that a student is producing from, you know, one of those AI tools, right?
Exactly. Yeah. Next one வந்து IAS officers. IAS officers with AI or IAS officer without AI?
No, with the AI.
With AI.
Because they need, I mean, all of us, you know, it is not just IAS officers.
Okay.
All of us, whether you are a IAS officer or a priest preaching from a pulpit, or, you know, you are a spiritual guru, you need to update yourself to the world. Okay. So that is a basic norm for everybody. Yeah.
One skill that AI can never replace, Father?
Empathy, compassion. Yeah.
Absolutely correct.
How you relate with people, you know, you relating to that person is very different from I relating with that person. Exactly. You know, so I think this will never have substitute.
Yeah. AI in spirituality, Father, useful or dangerous?
There is no AI that could be in spirituality. Spirituality, the very meaning of spirituality is, it is to do with your soul. Okay. AI can never touch this.
நான் ரீசெண்டா வந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து ChatGPT பைபிள் அப்படினு கிரியேட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க.
They will create. The whole new Bible will emerge. You know, it will take out all the contradictions in the Bible, for example. You know, if Jesus has said something here, there it sounds different. And it is going to create a Bible to live your life a little more better reading that than reading normal Bible, which is a possibility. Because it is tailor-making for you. It is making it exclusively for you. And which you think it will help me in my spiritual life. And you find it also very exciting to read that way. You know, and you don't need preachers to interpret to you. It is all there. But then, coming back to the question, spirituality is a soul matter.
Okay.
So that is one area, at least with my little knowledge, I see AI cannot enter it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Just a few more rapid fire questions.
Rapid fire, yes.
If AI becomes a person, ஒரு real person-ஆ இருந்தா, அது friend-ஆ இருக்குமா இல்ல competitor-ஆ நீங்க choose பண்ணுவீங்களா?
Should be a friendly competitor.
Friendly competitor.
Competitor, yeah. Why not?
But not enemy, competitor.
Yeah.
Friendly competitor.
Yeah, no enemy.
Yeah.
Nobody is enemy.
Yeah.
So, friendly competitor. Yeah.
If you get an AI assistant tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the first task you will assign?
That's an interesting one. If I get one, I will ask that tool just to stay quiet. Silence. I'm telling you honestly, today what you need is that.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, that's on the other side, but I understand your question.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe, yeah, when I got my first Alexa, I'm sure all of you, you know, that is the mini version of all this, you know, at that time. So, of course, you come to your room and that is the kind of song you want to listen to. Okay. I don't want to go searching for it. I just want Alexa to play that for me.
Okay, just your voice lay on.
I think that is a comfort.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. One A habit you want to stop immediately.
Oh yeah, me. I tell you honestly, yeah, which is hard, you know. Yeah. You get used to certain things. Yeah. And stop it would also take a lot of time, no? I want to stop my Grammarly because I write a lot. Okay. But then I have my Grammarly tool, which is amazingly helped me. Now they have also improvised into AI. I never had this. I have been a writer for so many years. I would like to go back to those days where I go through again, correct my grammar mistakes, get a better word for it. If that can happen, I think I am way beyond redemption.
Yeah. இப்ப அந்த இடத்துல வந்துட்டு ஃபாதர் ஜஸ்ட் ஆன் தி ஸ்பாட்ல வர. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து எழுதிக்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, லேப்டாப்ல டைப் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. டைப் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா Grammarly வந்து இந்த ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்க்கு பதிலா இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் போட்டா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெட்டரா இருக்கும் அப்படி சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணும்ல. So what you will prefer? You will try. That is my first disobedience. I never take what it is suggesting. If it is telling me the word, you can enhance and things like that. But I don't want to take the suggestion from Grammarly. That keeps நம்மளோட ஒரிஜினாலிட்டி அங்க இருக்காது அப்படின்றது. Sometimes I just read through whether it is presenting me a better option. But then that is where, as I was telling you, whether it sounds me. Okay. For me in my writing, that is very, very important. Okay. Whether it sounds me. Yeah. That I cross-check with my Grammarly. Yeah. One A habit you want to start immediately or start today?
Yeah, you are asking things that
shoot முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் போய் தான் ஆரம்பிக்கணும்.
One, yeah, which I would also suggest to these competitive exam students, no? I don't want to read through a lot of, you know, micro news, and then I'm still addicted to my newspapers. Yeah. If it can give me the news that are relevant, because news is becoming noise.
Yeah, correct.
Maybe if AI can reduce all this noise, give me comprising from top mainstream media, the news, that I would appreciate. So where I don't waste time, where the news should be authentic, you know, all those kind of things.
Okay. So this is last question on the just far beyond, for 10 years from now on. Okay. AI in 2035.
Yeah.
Exciting or scary?
It is exciting.
Okay.
Yeah. See, it is all created by human beings. Why should be so scared of stuff? Okay. You know, the best way to overcome fear is face the fear.
Exactly.
As correct. Simple as that.
Yes.
So I think we should all be ready to face the, if at all you call it as fear.
Yeah. This is the last two questions for that. If you are advising a 20-year-old today, how should they prepare for the AI future? இப்போ காலேஜ்ல போய் நம்ம பேசுறோம், கிட்ட வந்து ஏங்கிறது ஒன்று வந்து ஏற்கனவே வந்துருச்சு அப்படிங்கிறத பத்தி we are just already talking to them. இப்போ அவங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி போறதுக்கு நீங்க ஏதாவது அட்வைஸ் கொடுக்கணும்னா என்ன அட்வைஸ் கொடுப்பீங்க?
Yeah, there are, I mean, once again, no, they need to, they should not be left out. They should not be illiterate on all these things. அவங்க வந்து கொஞ்சம் எஃபர்ட் போட்டு இதனுடைய உண்மையான இது என்ன, எனக்கு எப்படி அது பயன்படும், ஓகே, இல்லை நான் எனக்கு ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும், இப்போ ஃபியூச்சரில் நான் இதை தான் பண்ண போகிறேன் அப்படின்னா அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி how not I can adapt to AI, how I can bring in AI
Okay.
to my situation, you know,
Okay.
to help me.
ம்.
அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் அவங்க போனாங்க அப்படின்னா
கரெக்டா.
அது ஒரு பெரிய அட்வான்டேஜாக அவங்களுக்கு மாறுன்றது தான் என்னுடைய
எஸ் ஷியோர்.
ஒப்பீனியன்.
What message would you give to TNPSC and UPSC aspirants about technology and learning?
அதுதான் நம்ம ஏற்கனவே அவங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கிறோம். கட்டாயம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு எங்கே ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இருக்கிறதோ அதில் வந்து நீங்கள் பெட்டர் you get into preparing for exams with technology. If somebody is offering, you know, good package of technology that can tailor make things for you to prepare. உங்களுடைய சப்ஜெக்ட் நாலேஜ்லேருந்து அதுலேருந்து அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு நீங்கள் எப்படி பரிச்சை எழுத முடியுன்ற அந்த மாதிரியான சில விஷயங்கள்லாம் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா they should take advantage of that. That will definitely be a big asset for individual students.
Yes. So thank you so much for your valuable
Thank you.
time.
It was very, very good.
Yes.
I myself did not think I will talk so much.
Yeah. But it was a good conversation actually.
But then we have to talk about all this. We cannot be strangers anymore.
Yeah. Your final words on AI for the audience.
Final word, I think the audience who are going to be watching, they are all already part of the users. You know, so use responsibly. That is the standard advice if you want. And then become more and more literate, you know. So you do things knowing what you are doing. So not without knowing. And be always positive. Never spread, just because you have the technology, never spread negative ideas, negative thoughts. அது ஏன் அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணுறீங்கன்றது வந்து எனக்கு வந்து செகண்டரி தான். நான் நெகட்டிவ் தாட் எனக்குள்ளேருந்து எடுத்து தான் நான் ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணுறேன் இல்லையா? அப்போது ஜஸ்ட் இமேஜின் இன்னைக்கு மட்டும் நான் வந்து ஒரு 10 நெகட்டிவ் கமெண்ட்ஸ் நான் போடுறேன்னு வச்சுங்களேன். ஐ ஆம் ஸோ ஹார்ட் வைட் பை நெகட்டிவிட்டி.
எக்ஸாக்ட்லி.
இது வந்து அவரை போய் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணுறதை விட என்ன அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணுறது அன்கான்ஷியஸாக என்ன அஃபெக்ட் பண்ண போகுது இல்லைங்களா? அது வந்து நான் எனக்கே பண்ணிக்கிற ஒரு யூனோ அது துரோகமாக தான் இருக்கும். அதில் வந்து நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். கொஞ்சம் இல்லை, நிறையவே கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி.
நிறைய பேர் நெகட்டிவாக பேசும்போது என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்கள பற்றி தானே பேசுகிறோம் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. பட் they are not realizing that they are talking to themselves first.
Exactly. So அதுதாங்க. It is your mind which is talking. Just because the other is only a mirror. புரியுதுங்களா? So but what is coming from is your mind. And what you are actually, நீங்கள் நினைக்கிறீங்க மற்றவங்களுக்கு திட்டுறீங்கன்னு, யுவர் மைண்ட் அண்ட் மிரர் தான் அங்கே ஒர்க்கிங். அது உங்களுக்கு புரியுதான்னு தெரியல. அது மைண்ட், என்னோட மைண்டு விச் இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி கரப்ட் வித் லாட் ஆஃப் நெகட்டிவிட்டி, வாட் ஐ எம் த்ரோயிங் டு த மிரர் ஒன்லி. அந்த மிரர்லையும் நான் தான் இருக்கிறேன் அப்படின்ற இந்த ஒரு சின்ன விஷயத்தை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்கன்னா நிறைய இந்த நெகட்டிவிட்டியில் அதுலேருந்து எடுத்துடலாம்.
AI can be a positive tool in which
it can grow.
It can be. Yes.
Thank you so much. Spread love, spread compassion.
Yes.
You know, be empathetic to people.
Yes.
Be reasonable.
Yes. Thank you so much for
Thank you for your time. Thank you.